All right, welcome back. This is P. Willys barn, working on the 2003 GX470. This is mine. My son's got his, and if you see some of our other videos, you can see some of the repairs he's done to his. We are trying to get to Moab in April, so we got a couple months to go, and we need to get these things ready. There's more in our first video. We talk about that a little bit. I've got some transfer case issues and waiting on parts and whatnot, but while the car's up in the air, I am going to do some rocker repair. So I will let you see how I go about fixing some rust on the rocker. So enjoy.
All right, so we're at the back of the vehicle. You can see I've already knocked some of the rust off. There's the area that I want to get replaced. There's a lot of rot there. Hopefully a lot of that's a surface rust. We're going to bang on it and see. And if it needs replaced, we're going to cut it out and put new fresh metal in it, clean up behind it, and get it painted. Some rust preventer on it. Yeah, we'll go from there. This body is not in actually that bad a condition. That probably is looking pretty scary, but that's the worst of it. The other side needs a little bit of work too, but and then the frame on the other side needs repair, so we'll probably try to get some videos of that too. All right, well, if you've ever worked on a rusty vehicle before and tried to repair it, you've probably experienced chasing some welds down where that just keeps burning out. I'm actually happy with the way that turned out. It may not look as beautiful as I would like, but a couple things I should have probably cleaned up the metal a little bit better so I can weld a little cleaner, but I'm not worried about that. I'll put sealer over all that, so you're never going to really see it. I stitched it all the way around with thin metal. I think I'm using the wrong wire size, and that it puts too much heat into it. I do have the setting on the MIG welder on 1, and my feed seemed okay, but I think I have a 0.35 wire in it, and I have another machine set up with 0.27. So I'm going to switch out when I do this back area here so I don't have to keep chasing and burning it out. I tried to cut out and get fresh metal, but that's just the way it goes. I still have to put all that in there, but I did notice that reinforcement had some holes, so I'm going to add another patch to that underneath, get some more paint on it, and then I'll close it up. well, it's done. I got to seal it up. The 0.27 wire is definitely the way to go. You don't burn through as much. I might grind that down a little bit more and clean it up. Once you get sealer of it, you'll never see it, but I had good penetration. It was good metal. Not the cleanest in some areas, so it was a little bit of a struggle, but I'm happy it's done. All right, well, this is what it looks like in the end. That is sealed, primered, and a top coat. I still have some more work to do there, and in the front, this is kind of just as bad. There is a seam down through here. The metal underneath looks real good. This is just a plug to let the liquid come out when they dip it in the bath for their rust prevention coating that they put on. So I think I'm just going to end up putting a flat plate all the way on through here. That'll actually be easier than the repair that I just did in the back. So, and you can see right where the tire is. Let's start on this stuff right up on there. So I want to rubberize coat this as well. But yeah, that wraps up the back part. Probably won't video the other areas, but I will show you that the transfer case is still not in the car. I'm waiting on my very expensive chain, and we've taken a lot of video. So once we get that fixed and hopefully prove that it's okay, then we will post that video for you guys. But until then, take care. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it.